Hey guys, welcome back to Parm Fam Custom Woodworking. My name is Matt, and today my wife and I went in on guinea pigs. We got 3 of them. So our old house was built for 1. I have to build a new little shelter or hideaway for them. So that's what we're gonna do with this board right here. It's reclaimed wood. I'm gonna end up cutting this down. It's gonna be 16 inches long, 12 inches deep, 8 inches tall. That's where we're gonna start. Let's get her done. So there are 2 sides done. Let's go ahead and put it together. Okay, so one of these is going to be just a one end. I think I'm going to put a little piggy window on one side, one on the other side, maybe one in the front. So I have 3 of them all together, and then I'll put a doorway in here. We'll see what happens. That'll be our top. See if I can get this thing clamped down here. So there's the center of that one. That's where we're going to put our window at. See if I can get a board to stick underneath here. That one will work. You can get a good clamp on it there. All right, should hold it good. Go ahead and drill one in here. I'll give us one window on this side. Let's see, I got all the way through, so I should be able to flip it over. Finish it from the other side. That'll help me eliminate tear out. Keep a neater looking hole. Everybody likes a neat looking hole on their board. Piggy window! Alright, so this one, I think I'm going to put this on the other side. This is going to go back towards our thing. So I'm going to put a little ramp on this side maybe so I can get to the top of it. So I'm going to put the window on this end. Alright, so there's the other one. So there's that. Now I get the little door drilled out. Alright, so got that cut out of there. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take and line up the sides of this down to the bottom. And I'll use my bandsaw and I'll cut that out. So line up with a speed square. Go ahead and clean this up on a bandsaw. Got it cut out of there pretty good. Go ahead and give it a little bit of sanding and we can put it together. I'll go ahead and get my other sander out here. I'm just going to go ahead and chamfer these a little bit. Alright, put a little chamfer on there. Made it all nice. Hopefully the little guinea piggies like it. Alright, so let's go ahead and we can start putting this together. Alright, so material is about 5/8 of an inch. I went ahead and adjusted all my stuff to the right levels. So go ahead and see if we can put a couple pocket holes in here. It'll be right tight to the edge of that. I don't really like that, but yeah, you can see it's a little tight, but it'll work. So there's that one. Alright, let's go ahead and get some of this assembled. So it's going to be like that. This is going to be like this. I'm going to go ahead and get this put together. Now I'm not going to put any glue in it. From what I've read, the guinea pigs are a little sensitive to glue. And I don't want to hurt the guinea pigs, so. I got to get a bigger clamp. Just over 19.5. Well, she's out by about a 16th. I'm probably going to be in deep trouble. Clamp this down, that way I can hopefully keep it from moving all over on me when I put these screws in here. Oh, 2 screws short. There we go, guys. There's our little guinea pig chalet or guinea pig castle or whatever you want to call it. So go ahead, it's got a couple of 3 windows in there, all chamfered. Nice arched doorway. Should be big enough for them. It's about 16 inches. 16 inches by 11 1/4 by 8 1/4 tall. So should be able to fit them in there, have a nice time. Should fit in our little house all right for them. So there it is, guys. I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks and bye.